At American Home Shield, we help homeowners safeguard their covered home systems and appliances against inevitable breakdowns. We know how valuable your home is to you and your family, so we put together a home winterization checklist to help you protect your home from the most common household hazards you might face this winter. After all the leaves have dropped in autumn, one winter preparedness task that homeowners often overlook is keeping their gutters free of debris. Clogged gutters and ice dams can prevent the flow of melting snow and ice, which can seep into your home or cause roof leaks. The trees on your property may not look menacing, but they can pose a real hazard once the winter wind and sleet start blowing. Removing dead trees and trimming branches near your house can prevent them from falling on your home in extreme weather. Heating your home in winter can be more difficult and more expensive if cold air is blowing in from cracks and openings in the exterior of your house. Even loose window frames can let chilly drafts in and warm air out. Sealing exterior cracks and gaps and weather-stripping windows can save you a lot of money on your heating bill and help keep out any critters looking for shelter. For many homeowners, getting a pre-season HVAC tune-up can be one of the most useful items on their winter checklist. Heating your home in winter can be a simple pleasure, but there are few things more disappointing in freezing weather than turning up the thermostat and discovering it doesn't work. Have your heater inspected before the outdoor temperature drops to avoid a malfunction in your central heating so that you can enjoy a toasty living space all winter long. Now that you've had your HVAC system inspected, there's one more winter home tip before you crank up the heat. Remove combustibles from around your heating sources. Flammable boxes or oily rags piled up around your heater can ignite and cause a fire just by being near a source of heat. This includes your HVAC system, but also fireplaces, space heaters, and wood stoves. When it comes to your home plumbing, getting ready for winter typically involves making sure your pipes are well insulated or placing heaters around exposed pipes when thawing them becomes necessary. You can even install an emergency pressure release valve to prevent burst pipes in case they become frozen. Reported cases of residential fires and carbon monoxide poisoning increase nationwide during the winter season. While checking your detectors is one of the simpler winter home tips, it should be at the top of your winter checklist. Help keep your family protected by replacing batteries and checking the functionality of your smoke alarms and carbon monoxide detectors. At American Home Shield, our passion is helping you protect your budget and your home. Whether it's through repairing or replacing covered home systems and appliances, or helping you protect those same elements from extreme winter weather. Limitations and exclusions apply. See plan for details.